watermelon, black salt.
Have you changed the whole?
It's good, bro. You need
Just
to try
right.
this.
Let me try. When is the exam will start?
Exam.
Exam.
Main exam. 10th March.
Then you've already got a
Yeah.
routine.
It's so good, guys.
For me, without salt is better. It tastes better.
Actually, we need to cheers.
Ah.
Clean and green. Eating is an art. You should know that.
I should try once.
We can.
It's big, right?
Yeah. This is the starting of a season, right? Like summer. Right now, the watermelon cost high. When we go to middle of summer, like April,
April,
or March,
June.
March, the cost will be reduced, totally reduced. Now it's nearly 100.
And
Only this.
3.5 kg.
Yeah.
I think the taste is gonna be like
It will be very good.
it's gonna be like aloo.
I don't know about that. But I have seen in the video they cook the white part.
But you have to remove the green part, right? Dark green part.
We will we have the trimmer, right?
Oh no.
Like trimmer. We can trim it. Yeah.
That one also it tastes better if we allied with green chili. It tastes so good. Do you like pudina?
Yeah.
Do you guys use to grind and
My mom.
make it as a chutney?
Yeah, chutney. My mom will cook very well. That chutney. But I need to try the Tripura famous
Food?
Queen
The what?
pineapple.
Queen pineapple.
Yeah. Tripura famous for pineapple. My friends told that you need to try that. It tastes different from South India to North India. I need to try
Is
that.
it sweet or
Very, I
sour?
don't know about the taste, but they told the same thing. It's queen of pineapple. They will call it queen.
Queen?
Yeah.
It's funny, huh? What about the king?
King apple. Yeah. That's for you.
No, I'm gonna cut it.
The
I'm gonna
lost
cut it in
baby
half.
piece.
I think for the last piece we have to do it. Just
What? You need to keep quiet, guys. This is not my vlog.
this is my roommate's vlog.
He is the manager of this vlog.
No, I'm the CEO of this vlog.
His vlog contains everything: food, traveling, dresses,
Right.
everything, guys.
Everything.
And sometimes, if you want to know how he built his body, you can see his vlog.
Not now, I'm gonna do it later.
Yeah.
What happened?
Last part.
It's very sweet.
I'm gonna spoil your sweetness. This is the season of fruits, so I need to hunt in the campus for fruits. We have mangoes.
Okay, onion. Mangoes.
Mango. We have
Isn't
star
that one
fruit.
also? It's mango.
That's mango tree. It's mango flower right now. It's mango crop. After
We need to hunt birds also. Wild duck.
yeah, wild duck.
I think it's gonna taste good.
But when? Yeah,
Okay.
caterpillar.
Catable. In your language, how do you call it?
We call caterpillar. Caterpillar.
Catable. We call it jiri siat sim.
Oh.
Jiri, we used to call it like jiri itself.
I think we don't need that caterpillar. We can hunt very easily.
These birds or this duck?
Yeah, this duck.
I don't think it's gonna be easy.
If you have the net, first we need to lay the net. They'll come and sit. Their legs will be stuck in it. You can go and take. Who will go and help them? And how can they know that the duck is stuck there? We need to lay in the night.
We can check it from your behind your department.
Yeah.
From that side, it's
Sorry for this inconvenience.
oh, I forgot you guys. It's secret, okay.
Yeah. done with the last part,
Last piece.
last piece of art. And Bon appetit.
What's that supposed to mean?
I saw in the movie, I don't know. And you know,
Oh, come on, bro. Have some.
guys, when you are in desert, carry one watermelon. It will taste very good, you know.
In your place, you said it's only 10 rupees.
Yeah, this one, this small one, this 3.5 kg one, it will cost only 10 to 15 rupees.
In our place, it's like 80 to 100, I think. Like
Whole
this-
season, throughout the season.
Yeah.
Wow. This is just a 3.5 kilo. I can complete this alone.
This one is not that big.
Yeah.
Village bone.